Oh, I tell you what, if you've only got an hour to do a ride for the rest of your life, this would be the one to do. So my friends, today we are going to do the Bairne track. The Bairne track is just a bit on from the Waratah track, which I did the other week. We're not going to quite go down the Bairne track all the way. We're going to peel off 3/4 of the way down and go out to Soldiers Point Lookout and then come back. It's about 9-10 kilometers in total. Should be a bit of fun. Or we'll do like a track that starts off downhill. I hope you can hear me, the wind is blowing through my ears quite hard. Oh, a little rough spot. Oh, here we go. Bit of downhill. You probably can't quite see it yet in the camera, but just over the top of there is the sea, and it's looking pretty nice. G'day. G'day. Oh, he's turned up already. Wow, that was quick. So now we're going out towards Soldiers Point. There's another one that said Portuguese track. I believe that's closed. I'm guessing that's Portuguese. We're not going down there. G'day. Oh, it's a bit rough. Boom. Oh, listen to me. The 4:15 from Paddington Station. We'll be pulling out into Bath Spa in 5 minutes. How you doing? I'm good, thanks. Oh, this is getting nice and pretty. So off to my left here is the Hawkesbury, and we should be getting to a spot where we can see where the Hawkesbury joins Pittwater up near Lion Island. So I think it is. Oh, I tell you what, if you've only got an hour to do a ride for the rest of your life, this would be the one to do. I've got Pittwater over there, I think it's the Hawkesbury over there, and I can see Lion Island straight ahead. How would you be? Does it get any prettier than this? Well, that, my friends, is the Bairne track, and then from the Bairne track we've come out to Soldiers Point. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's great fun, very short track, well worth a trip. If you like this sort of video, please like, comment and subscribe. It really does help me out. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on another one.